Well, folks, if I sound a little bagged, yeah, getting a forklift off the back of this trailer, which I had to set it behind my new lathe. If I sound beat, well, it's because I am, damn it. This was a hell of an undertaking. Huge thanks to my work. Yeah, they borrowed me the truck so I could do this, and the forklift, conveniently. Bigger thanks, though, to a close personal friend who went all the way to the city of Abbotsford on his own accord to watch the air show. And I said, hey, could you please take your trailer? There's a thing I want, and I'd like you to bring it back. And I'll be damned if he did. So right here, this is it. This is our new lathe for Dragon's Fire Metalworks. New, old. Serial number, don't know if you can read that out, but she's number 402 by the Joseph Crawford Jr. Company out of Erie, Pennsylvania, in the US of A. Approximate vintage on this unit, 1919, 1920. That's the only photographed piece of paper I can find on it online. Says it was 1919, I think. Anywho, she needs a little TLC, an obvious cleanup, and well, now comes the fun part. Lashing it to the forklift and getting it home down the driveway. So stay tuned. More fun, jocularity, and hilarity shall ensue. Well, here we are. Got her loaded. She's off the trailer. That was entirely way too stressful to put on the camera. So, oops. Where are we at here? Looking good. So, I really hope I didn't just run out of propane. That would suck. Maybe we'll come back. You know how I was saying that, geez, this would be an inopportune time for the forklift to run out of fuel? Yeah, the forklift ran out of fuel. So now I'm back on my way to work. Hopefully, I guess guys never heard of mufflers. Hopefully the other propane tank is full. Otherwise, I gotta go to the fuel station and fill up the tank. I'm gonna run out of daylight or get poured rain on before I get this thing in the shop. I have little to no doubt of this. My neighbors must be wondering, what in the hell is that guy doing? I'll be back. All right, on our way back to the house with a fresh can of rotten eggs. Here we go. Like I said, look at all those clouds. Yeah, I hope I get this thing inside before it starts pouring rain. All right, I'll be back. Oh, almost forgot. When playing with propane, folks, always wear protection on your hands. This stuff will freeze your digits in no time flat. Now, can I pick it up? Oh, yeah, I can pick it up. Oh. So, yeah, never let it be said that my life is not without its challenges and definitely interesting. All right, let's get this prick in the shop. Well, boys and girls, even the best laid plans can somewhat blow up in the face. So I, with measurements, figured I had enough room to get from that through here and this big dork through there. I forgot to account for those. Plus, I don't think this big bitch is going to make her way through. So, executive decision's been made. We're going to pull the forklift back, get the extended forks up and over. And we're going to try and get that off. Actually, yeah, it just gets better. So, and the better 3/4 informs me that it is about 20 to 8 p.m. I'm running out of time. Well, kids, it is about 5 after 9. About an hour and a bit after my last update. The lathe is in the shop. Had to take the support leg off. That sucked. Still don't have a door on the door jamb. The motor and the tailstock are sitting out beside my RV, but my lathe is in the shop. So now it is back to work, drop off the forklift, and then drop off my friend's trailer. I'll talk to y'all later.